You can see this little tooth is eventually supposed to be I am so beautiful. Like a puzzle.
You're a beautiful puzzle.
Oh, Belle.
Hey guys, it's Bethany.
And Olive. And Val.
And welcome to spring break. Today is Monday, March 10th. It's almost 10 o'clock and we are tagging along on another work trip with Dad in Austin this time. It's been a long time since we've been to Austin. And today we are gonna redeem ourselves from the last pool vlog that we did the last time we tried to swim and it was freezing. This time we found a hotel that had an indoor pool and we called to verify that it was both open and heated and they said yes. So we'll see. I'll see when we get down there. I'm planning on getting in today, but we'll see. If it's not heated, I ain't doing it. First on our list of things to do is to go for a swim. And then there's several parks we want to check out, botanical gardens, science and nature
this
center.
is also part of our vlog where we vlog just a tiny bit, just 10 bit of everything we do in spring break.
Oh yeah, so I was thinking about vlogging every day of spring break. Maybe not the whole day, like Olive said, but just seeing if we could vlog every day. And I don't know if I'll make a vlog for every day, how we'll split it up. I guess we'll see.
Maybe like a Nelson vlog.
Maybe like a Nelson vlog, maybe like do a few days in one. We'll see. But we're starting it out strong with the swim, so we'll see you downstairs. Okay. This isn't what I would think of when I think of heated. It's not like a nice, cozy, warm bathtub, but it's not cold. But also when I think nice, cozy, warm bathtub, I think scalding, according to my family. I'm in the water. Here we are, redeeming ourselves.
Yes, we are redeeming. All right.
Fishies in the ocean, fishies down below. Bella jumps in when Mom says go. Keep going.
Hey, Bill, are you ready to dive?
Are you doing it? I did. Okay, ready?
Hey, Bill.
Fishies in the ocean. You jumped in easy. Take it back and keep going. Oh, let's jump a little farther from the stairs next time, kiddo. For safety.
Don't scream. Warning sign.
It says no diving. It's too shallow to dive.
Okay.
Yes. We can. Fishies in the ocean, fishies down below. Belle jumps in when I say go. Woohoo! Go, Belle! Good job! Good job! You remember how to kick your feet so good. We need to start working on your arms. Whoa!
forgot to say bye. But since you're back in here, I would like to say bye. Let's go. Bye. Let's say bye.
Hello. It's about 3:20. We are at Zilker Park here in downtown Dallas. It is an absolutely gorgeous day. 78 degrees, sunny, clear skies.
Oh wait! You forgot me now.
Oh, you need to say hi?
Hi.
We got here and we're over here in this area with just this big field and a lot of people are sunbathing. We found a tree to get under the shade. But all of us like, it looks like a lot of weird people are here. And I was like, what do you mean? And she was like, looks like everybody's just taking off their clothes. She has to be on the leash. Belle has been working very hard to collect some sticks.
This is our little junk pile. Oh, this is the craziest person I've ever met. They're sunbathing with jeans on.
Found little sticks.
Olive wishes she would have wore shorts.
Yes.
Should we read some Wings of Fire? Yes. Wait,
Look at that beautiful view of the city.
Hugs are fly ones.
Yeah. It's quite a pile you've got though.
Yeah. I'm making a stick rock campfire.
That's cool.
Yeah. And it worked. But you gotta be careful. It's fire.
Okay.
It's super.
There's another yellow butterfly. We've seen like 5 yellow butterflies here. I don't know if you saw him flutter by in the frame. Flutter by in Belle. No, she's on a quest. The yellow butterflies are out in Austin, and we'd love to see it. There's a squirrel up in that tree.
Okay, I'll stop. Come over here now. Hey, go. Oh, I gotta show you with my cow, I have my cow inside a little walk thing. Usually they're ducks in there. Raccoon.
Oh, these are cool. It's a cow skull.
Yeah, I think you're right.
See, he's getting bigger. See how it makes my island. Oh, big. That. Then this makes it bigger. Yeah. And look how big it looks when I do this.
Let's see.
I'll come with it.
How big was it?
It was that big, like this big. You should look.
Wow.
I'll look through it.
Can I look through it? I gotta do something. Hey, Foggy, come over here.
Look how through this. Hey, guys.
A bald one? a ball.
You can see.
This is a hog nose.
Mom, you
Look at his
can.
little hog nose.
Mom, you can. Hey, Vlog, you look through this smiled, and you can see this little tooth is eventually supposed to be as big, but it's not quite.
It's not quite, eventually.
Wow, look. Hey, Vloggy, he eventually looks through this. And then you will see that this will okay. And through this one you can see it's
Did you know that I have a magnifier glass in my camera? I can zoom it in and make things bigger. Oh, it's a cave salamander.
Oh, look at that little a trampoline.
What is that?
Oh, I don't know. It's a little twizzly thing.
Like a little twizzly?
Hey, Ball, let me tell you something.
Yeah.
It's to come over here. Pretend that you're a caver and I'm the boss. Okay?
Okay.
This is a very peaceful little area.
I am a CEO puzzle.
You're a beautiful puzzle.
Yeah, look in the mirror.
I can't see it. Can I turn it? Can I come this way so I can see it? You're a beautiful puzzle. There's magnets in here and you can make them dance.
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal.
The big one goes first, then stay.
Yeah. That's good.
Hey, Mom, I
Yeah.
am king of the rocks and water.
Yeah, you are.
And I'm the master of writing and fortune.
Hey, Bill, if you hand me that, I'll play with you. Hey, Bill, I gotta tell you something. Hey, Bill, if you hand me that rock, I'll do anything you want.
Yeah. It's okay when you throw things.
No, we're gonna be done if we go get fresh clothes.
No, stay here.
Okay. Belle's not ready to leave just yet. Is it good? What do you think?
Is walking together okay?
Yes.
Is walking meanly okay?
Probably not.
Is
your-
interrupting people okay?
3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna come over to this little kitty mermaid's house. Hi, little kitty mermaid.
No, you have to knock on No, Mom. No. I need to get to say.
Hello, little kitty mermaid.
Hello.
Can we come into your house?
Hello, I'm just chilling in your house.
This is my bed.
And wow.
And shut. And I have some little pillows.
Of course.
And also blanket.
You did Anna and Elsa decorations?
Yeah, and a warning sign that says please no flies.
Oh, that's always good to have safety signage.
Yeah, don't want it. Yeah,
I'm beautiful,
That's my house? We all have houses. Belle Kitty Mermaid jumps in when I say go. Woohoo! That was amazing. Fishies in the ocean, fishies down below. Belle Kitty Mermaid jumps in when I say go.
Actually, that was nothing.
Mom, can you practice sea stars with me?
Sea stars, yeah.
Let me do that. Come on.
Hey, Belle.
I know how to swim.
I know you
Look.
do. Whee! Good job, Olive. Olive, remember how to put your face in the water and kick towards where you want to go, like Belle? Yeah. Oh, yeah, she's got her arms in it, though. You're doing great. Oh, my goodness. That is the prim paddle.
I told you it's a good paddle.
The prim paddle. Oh, she's off to the races.
No, come with me. This is your house.
This is my house. Welcome to my crib.
Okay. No. Bye, guys. See you next time.
There we go.
No, they're not green.
Okay.
Can you tell me?
Yep.